Disturbing reports out of Clarendon this evening about the number of sexual attacks against children in the parish. Stakeholders are worried the cases are about to explode as the predators are carrying out their attacks unchecked. More in this report.
We're just saying to the men to leave the children alone.
Stop it! That cry from the police to men committing vile sexual attacks against children in Clarendon. The head of the police division explained that children of all ages are at risk of falling victims to the predators.
We are seeing too many babies that are being molested by adults, and it is very distasteful. Seeing ages from 5-year-old being molested by adults.
Detectives are investigating the cases to try and nab the predators, while the respective state agencies have been called in to assist.
We are trying to reach out through our community activities. We are using our Sisuka department to do varying lectures and sensitization in the communities.
Parents also have a big role to play and are being encouraged to become more vigilant in how they supervise their children.
Sometimes, in some of the cases, it is same family members or persons living in the same household that are the perpetrators. So some of the mothers just need to be careful how they are leaving their children and who they are leaving them with.
One local government representative in the meantime asked the police to investigate a worrying trend emerging in some of the crime-hit Clarendon communities, especially those in and around the parish capital, Maypen.
It is something that is getting stink. These criminals, and why I say that, these criminal agents are boogering these boys, and sometimes as a local government representative, and when you're privy to certain information, what they're doing is boogering these boys to show their strength. And the parents cannot talk because them are bad man. So they use that as a form to quiet persons in neighborhoods. And these parents are not talking any at all. Some of these parents don't even know what are happening to their kids. They do that in order for them, when they get them into these gangs, they cannot leave because they don't want others to know what has happened to them. So they use it to quench them and to quell them, to get them to do the things that they want to do as a gang member.
Aisha Nation, TVJ News.